Alright, so we're on a mission. We're going upriver. Well, I guess we're going downriver. Back to where we were yesterday when we found ourselves in deeper water than we wanted to be, and we cut out of the river to get to the road. Turned out we bushwhacked a little too hard and we lost our net. So we're going back for our net because we love that net. We don't like the cloth material of the net, but we do very much love the net overall. And it has my magnet, and it has the marks I just put on it for measuring things. So we're going to scope the river, take a hike, take a short walk in the river, and then bushwhack. We've made it to the river, spooking all the fish with a shadow. Can't really see in there at all just yet. No sunshine on that. So okay, here we go. Downriver, tally-ho. Just hooked, bobbing along. I don't know when I dropped it. I know when I didn't have it. I knew where to look, and I got lucky. Woo. All right, excuse me. Yesterday's fishing report. Also, look at that. So, I lost count really. I'm pretty sure it was around 10, maybe 12 trout in total. One on a nymph, everything else off a dry. I quit fishing dry dropper and just went dry because nobody was touching the nymphs. Looked at them, didn't take it for the most part. Make sure I'm not about to die here. Okay. So, all but one was a brown, and that other guy was a cut. I have no idea how big he was because that was the point where I had lost my net yesterday. Bushwhacking out of a steep, just a not fat, but fast, straight canyon bit of river. Not very fishable, not at all nice to walk in. I bushwhacked out, and when I got out, realized I didn't have my net. So this morning, I threw the waders on and the boots, walked back to the nicest hole I fished yesterday. Fished that, didn't fish that, walked past it, went up, bushwhacked my way out the path I took yesterday, because I know I got right, because I found the tracks. Then bushwhacked to the road. Once I got to the road, right going home, I think I had a lot of wood. This way. Once I got up to the road, within 5 feet of the road and didn't find the net, I turned around, bushwhacked back to the river, and then was working my way downriver. When I found it, I have pictures and a video. Maybe I'll figure out how to put those in here. But at this point, just walking out, and it's amazing out here again. So yeah, figured I'd put up my sun protection, and we got about, I don't know, a mile and a half probably. So this pool is full of fish. You should be able to see that big boy right there. And there he goes. Well, that's the big boy. If you look up over here, you can see like 5 or 6 trout. Moving around. But only one person. It's premium. I went down to that, behind that rock, and tried to fish that area. Sort of fish like that, just moved away. As soon as I came up here, he came right back in. There's a bank back there. I'm gonna try back there. See if I can get one of these guys to take interest. They're coming up for dries or bugs. They're pretty bright fish in this corner. And then we'll probably head up that way.